So why would they even make this programming language to use these stupid things called arrays when you can make a simple string type where you can store a string into? And the reason behind that is you can do really awesome things when you have a list of item or an array. So first thing I want to show you guys how to access an individual item in that list or an array. Now in order to do that, go ahead and type the name of your array, which is name, and then in the brackets the position of the element that you are looking for. I'll put 3 here. Now remember one thing, whenever you create a list or an array in C or any programming language, it always starts with 0. So G is 0, E is 1, E is 2, K is 3. So this little code here is equals to K. Now let's do something stupid and replace K with T. In order to do that, put equals to sign, single inverted quotation, T, semicolon. If we print this, it will show GeekyBrain. My name is GeekyBrain. My name is GeekyBrain. Now another thing I want to tell you guys, an alternate version to type this. What we have to do is type another array Now the reason not putting 6 here is because whenever it runs this line, it can count the character for you. So I count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 string terminator. So it says 6 byte of pizza, and it going to store pizza in food. Now I'll show you guys. Printf my best food is my name is GeekyBrain. My name is GeekyBrain. Best food is pizza. Last thing I want to tell you guys, whenever you want to assign a new string to this array, what you have to do is you need to use a function called strcpy brackets and this will take two pieces of information. First is what array you want to change. Here I am changing food, comma, and the next piece of information is what string you have to put in this array. I am putting burger, semicolon. Now if we print this, it will show best food is burger. My name is GeekyBrain. My name is GeekyBrain. Best food is pizza. And when we use strcpy function to interchange pizza with food, it prints best food is burger. Here we gave a array a new value using strcpy function. So hopefully you understand how string terminators work and how we can use arrays and how to store a new value in an array. I know it is confusing, and if you have any questions, ask me on comment section. For now, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, do subscribe my channel.